A soaring giant, the condor is the largest flying bird in the world. Its wingspan reaches up to 10.8 feet. It can glide for hours, scanning the terrain for its prey. Feeding on carrion, it serves as the planet's custodian. The absence of feathers on its neck and head aids it in performing its dirty yet vital task. Its diet primarily consists of hoofed animals. Andean condors have shiny black plumage with white feathers on their wings and a white collar around the base of their neck. Males sport a large crest. This bird often collaborates with turkey vultures and black vultures, which track prey by scent, while Andean condors detect food visually. Larger Andean condors are better equipped to tear through the tough skin of freshly killed or deceased animals. Smaller vultures benefit from the condor's effort and feast on the remains of recently discovered carcasses. The condor's habitat mainly comprises open meadows and alpine zones up to 5,000 meters in height. It favors relatively open, non-forested areas that enable it to spot carrion from the air, such as Paramo or rocky mountainous regions. Andean condors live and nest on cliffs with small rocky outcrops or caves. Their habitat is located in South America's Andes, including the Santa Marta Mountains. From the north, their range stretches from Venezuela and Colombia, where they are very rare, down south along the Andes of Ecuador, Peru, and Chile, bypassing Bolivia and Argentina, all the way to Tierra del Fuego. In the 19th century, the Andean condor was widespread from Venezuela to Tierra del Fuego, but its range has significantly decreased due to human activity. The griffon is also one of the largest flying birds. With a wingspan of up to 9.8 feet, it gracefully soars in the sky, observing the horizon. This bird exhibits notable intelligence, studying the behavior of other avian allies. When one of the griffins spots its prey, it initiates a swift dive, and others join in. With its massive beak, the griffin effortlessly tears into the prey's body and starts its feast. These birds gather for meals in flocks of up to 10, greedily consuming large antelopes within just 20 minutes. While their primary diet consists of carrion from hoofed animals, other forms of carcasses are also part of their menu. The griffins frequently accompany hunting predators, displaying remarkable patience as they wait for the predator to satiate itself, allowing the griffins to feast on the remains. Impatient rushing has no place, and they can wait for an injured animal's demise to orchestrate a true feast. But why do these large and predatory avian creatures prefer carrion? The answer lies in the structure of their stomach, which is adept at digesting carrion, even when it's significantly decayed. The acidity of the griffin's stomach acid is so potent that it easily copes with decomposition products, including digesting bones within the bird's gut without difficulty. Griffins favor open landscapes, where they can oversee vast expanses from a height, making it easier to spot their prey. These avian predators reside in savannas, semi-deserts, and deserts, often choosing mountainous regions with steep slopes for their habitat. Due to their significant size, their nests are substantial and robust. They establish their nests in secluded places, often in the depths of steep mountain slopes, wind and weather-protected crevices, steep and inaccessible cliffs, wild and impenetrable forests. Being warmth-loving creatures, they inhabit countries with hot and temperate climates. You can encounter them on almost every continent except Antarctica and Australia. The distribution of griffins covers extensive zones: southern Europe, including the Crimean Peninsula, Central and Southern Asia, the Caucasus, nearly all of Africa, the southern part of North America, and the entire South America. The largest population of various griffin species resides predominantly in Africa. Each type of griffin occupies a particular continent, and among these birds, there are no identical species inhabiting different parts of the world. Well, that's it. We've talked about these majestic custodians of our planet. Due to human activity's impact, these birds are facing the threat of extinction. Let's treat them with respect and strive to protect them whenever possible. Have a great day, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next videos.